How about the blue one?
We're gonna do the other blue.
Okay. Alright. Ooh, head dance. Can you spin? Good spin. Oh.
Whoa, flap too, yay!
Look, you want another one?
Sure.
Another show?
Another show, please.
It's called, this is my show.
Okay.
This is show. This is a choir.
Quiet show?
I don't think it's choir. We did that.
Good dancing, buddy.
Loud show. Loud show, yeah. I'd love to see a loud show after that.
My loud show?
Sure.
This is loud. That's loud show.
Let's see a loud dance.
This is loud. This is loud.
I'm watching you. Let's see your loud dance.
That's the camera?
Yep.
That's the machine camera?
Yeah. I'm watching you on it. I want to see you dance. Yay.
How about one more dance for the camera?
That's camera machine.
Good dance.
No, this is spinning.
Spinning.
This is kite spinning. This is kite.
Yay!
Yay.
You didn't fall down.
It's coming. It's coming, Daddy.
Yeah, Daddy's filming you. He's getting your cute little head right
Let's
now.
sing a song for Daddy and his camera.
Oh, a song.
What song should we sing? Maybe,
How about singing a song? We'll dance a little more? Okay, that's cool. Shake it up.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Shake it.
You eat my knee. Mm.
What's she taste like, Theo?
That would taste like you ate my knee.
Pull that out and eat Daddy meat.
Okay. Pull it out and eat Daddy's knee.
Hey, who's eating my knee? Why, it's Theo. How's that knee taste? Is it good? It's a chocolate ice cream knee.
I'm gonna pull out the.
What are you pulling out?
I'm gonna pull out and you need.
Some special
What did you
stuff.
pull
man.
out?
You need to eat it.
Oh, okay. Mm.
How about a kiss from mommy?
Pull out and eat my meat.
Another kiss.
No, pull out.
Oh,
and
pull it
eat
out in your knee. Bring it over here.
No.
Hey, Theo, do you think you could sing a song for me?
Okay.
Let's sing Old MacDonald.
No, this thing on the top.
Okay.
This is a kite.
Oh, you're right.
I'm a kite.
Okay.
I'm flying away. I'm flying away.
Yay.
Then next one.
How about some singing?
This is a quiet.
It's a dance show, I guess.
Good one to do yoga too. It's quiet. You do some yoga. You want this yoga move?
He's doing a different yoga move.
No, this is higher balloon.
Hot air balloon. Volcano.
No, there's a volcano. Where you do it?
I was just doing some yoga from our video.
This is yoga to the sauce.